So, a question you get asked a lot is can I make a one off payment for Google to get to number one? Or can I just install this software which will get me number one? Or my friend has told me I need to do this to get to number one on Google. I wish it was that easy. But if it was, everybody would be number one at Google. And you can't all be number one on Google. That's just not how it works. Google has a lot of things it takes into consideration when it's deciding how to make up the Google search results and rank number one, two, three. And you can't have like a silver bullet approach. There isn't something I can just install and make it work. If there was, honestly, everybody would be doing it, and it's quite a common misconception that it is that easy. Normally, it's on a month-by-month basis, and progress is slow and steady. If you try and race to the top, Google will notice and Google will penalize you. So all of the time you spend or the money you've spent will effectively be put in the bin, and you're starting again from scratch. So there's definitely no point in racing to the top. You also need to follow the Google guidelines to get to the top. Don't break any of the rules, because that will give you a long-lasting ranking. If you break the rules, then Google has every right at some point to penalize you for it. So we have to be very, very careful in the way we approach these things. And with over 100 ranking factors, there's a lot of things to learn, a lot of things to know. If you wanted to do it yourself, you could do, but it might take you a year or two or three to learn all of the different things that are involved in Google ranking, as well as writing content. And a lot of people say to us, I'm not really sure what content to write. That's part of why we provide a keyword report. The report shows you like 90,000 keywords or whatever that we might come up with, and then we'd make suggestions about which one to approach, and then we'd make suggestions on how to write content to incorporate those keywords and approach things in the right way. Aside from just content writing, which is quite a big part, there's also the technical side of SEO. So it's about writing little bits of code in the background to give Google context for the website, making sure the website loads quickly, making sure that the website has got certain markers on there to help people who are visually impaired, and lots and lots and lots of factors, like over 100, honestly. Even the technical part, I could analyze a website and find 100 things wrong with it, and pretty much on any given website that would be as well. So it's really, really quite a long job with a lot of knowledge required. So unfortunately there isn't a silver bullet, but fortunately people like us have already done the work for you, learned all that knowledge, and can help you. So if you'd like to know more, please do get in touch.